candle, still it will not be blown away. Surprised? Come on, let's see the magic with an experiment. For this activity, we need water, 2 balloons, 1 candle. Everything you can get it at your home. First, we will lit the candle. Make sure the candle is lit. Now blow the balloon. Secure this with a knot. Whenever you touch the flame, it will immediately burst. For the second balloon, we will fill the balloon with some water. You can use a dropper or you can directly fill the water in the balloon. You don't need to fill it completely, but 1/4 of the balloon it should be filled with water. Again, blow the balloon while you have water inside it. Now you can observe the magic with the blown balloon having water inside it to the candle. For that, I am lighting candle here again. No matter how much time you will put the balloon on the flame, it will not get bursted because the water inside it will work as a heat absorbent. It will absorb all the heat that the balloon is getting from the flame. So it will not allow the layer of balloon to rise the temperature. That is how it will not burst. I hope you enjoyed this activity. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Also share it with your friends.